acquisition of information and patronizing the product along with promotion will not only boost the economy and support the Cebuanos, but also benefit the country as well.
We are the Group 4 of MM401P from Asian College of Technology.
Tumayong buong tapang harapin ang buhay at kapin ang tagumpay. Tulungan ang kapwa at bigyang halaga, wag hatakin ng pababa.
Welcome to our vlog of Woven Views, Philippines' finest craft and culture. In this video, we will take you on a journey across the Philippines through its rich and vibrant indigenous craft.
Join us as we explore the culture, artistry, and fashion woven into every thread, weave, and design. Tara na! Panoorin mo, pabalik na tayo!
Carbon market, dari dapat sa native furniture. So karon na namin nakita nga native store and interview na to ang tag-iya sa store. So let's go. Okay. So hi Ate, thank you for having us today. So can you tell us about you and your store?
I'm the owner of this store, Lynette's Native and Consumer Goods.
Pila na edad di bote and pila na sa years nagkan?
I'm 52 years old and my business, you know what, I forgot, pero kuhan ka ng mga 30 years na kung nag-business ani.
Unsa sad ni ang mga kanang craft nimo nga gibaligya diri Ate?
May mga ang mga materials, rattan, buri, then nito, kaning mga nito, pandan, this is pandan. This is buri made from buri leaves, bamboo, and this one is buri stick. This is blind.
Na-curious lang ko Ate ba, ikay naghimo ani sa kaniyang mong gipamaligya o dili? So nipalit ka sa
buy and sell.
Buy and sell. So nganong kaniman nga business ang imong ganahan ipaligya? Ay ikan.
Mo ni business sa akong mama. Mo ni among ikuhan o sa among pagkaon, pang-eskwela.
So sa tanan nimo craft diri Ate kay unsa man ang imong pinakaganahan? Like favorite craft nimo diri?
Item? Item. This one.
Anong ka naman imong ganahan?
Kaya ganahan ko ka na. Gamit ko doon yung mga occasion. Yes, this is placemat. Nito. One set.
Lastly Ate Gara, unsa man ang imuhang advice nga maingon sa mga ganahan mo start og craft business parehan?
Ayan nanda patience. Huwag ka na yung hard work. Kailan lang magkano pa. So kinananin mo tayo mga nani mo lang yan mga pangkakwa. Patience.
And hard work.
Hard work.
So this is pandan bag made from pandan leaves. So this is originated from Negros Occidental and 250 pesos only. Buy na.
Hello guys, this is Boric, made of Boric and from Bareilles, Cebu, worth of 60 pesos and naka-discount ko 15%, so akong gipalit siya og 45 pesos.
This is paspas or feather duster, originated in Consolacion, and it is made from feather of a chicken, and it costs 120 pesos only.
So this is sarok, originated from Consolacion, made from bamboo and banana leaves. It costs 100 pesos.
So this is a jar made of bamboo and it's originated in Bohol. It costs 250 pesos only. Thank you.
Hi, this is Cuchara and Tenedor, originated from Bulacaw. It is made from cocoa shell and it only costs 60 pesos.
Enjoy your summer playing our Philippine traditional game, Sungka, made from mahogany with only 400 pesos.
Keep your space organized and clutter-free with this versatile bamboo storage basket. So it is durable, stylish, and environmentally eco-friendly. So it costs 120 pesos.
This is a rock hat made from nito and banana leaves, and the price of this is 500 pesos. Magamitin mo sa ting-init o kwan, mamulay ka.
Tara na, manunoy o mamalis na ta sa Lynette Store!
That's it for today's video, and
Thank you for watching Ruben News!
Ay, wala na may kwarta na. Uy! Lahat, may tao na ito si mama ko po. Wala na may piso, wala na may piso. Ay, ito si mama ko.
This is pandan bag. Nabulol ko ti. Okay, this is...
Keep your storage. Ay, mali.
So that's it, guys. Ay, ang ending na to. Oh, that's it, guys. For today's video.
that's it.
Mali.